Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
Alright, so we about to get this little cooler right. Got me some Fiji. Got my little fruit punch I like every now and again. This shouldn't be in here, but yeah. Don't judge me. I got me a nice little green tea. Every now and again I want that little burn, and this just seemed to do it every single time. I can't help it. I know I ain't the only one. Alright, y'all, so we got the snacks on deck. Yep. Got the sandwiches in here. And something that's near and dear to my heart. Y'all know the oatmeal pies never go out of style. Let's go. What is good, family? What is good? It's a beautiful, yeah, beautiful Tuesday. We about to head out to Maryland. Get this thing popping. I gotta pull back up in front of the crib, grab my little cooler, head to this pickup location. Yeah, I ain't trying to get this bread. Man, we ain't doing no trying. We out here working, out here riding around and getting it. Let's go. I'm up here at Costco's in Maryland, Monrovia, Maryland. They will not take the freight off the truck. I got one pallet I need to get off this truck. Talking to the broker to see if there's a closer distribution center nearby to get this pallet off the truck, but haven't heard back from them yet. I got other things I need to do. I got another load I need to grab. This one pallet needs to come up off my truck. I don't know if I'm gonna have to go inside this warehouse and figure this out, but yeah, this ain't it right here. This ain't popping. I'm utterly disgusted right now. All right, guys, so the broker was able to get in touch with a third-party warehouse that was able to hold the freight until a 53-footer truck was able to come and offload it and bring it back to Costco. What up, guys? We in Dulles, Virginia, about to get loaded up so we can head back to SC South Crack. I'm ready to get home, as always. So I was able to come home with this load from Virginia, headed to Olive Branch, South Carolina this morning. About to knock this out, and I should be pretty much done for the day. I might pick something else up if it's local, but other than that, I'm chilling this weekend. Freight life. It's the homie Bigg Vic TV. Box truck bully in the building. What's good, y'all? I ain't playing no games.